Oh no. 1 second. I'm here, family. Don't know what's up with my camera there, but how we doing, family? Yo! Happy Monday! Let's get so fucking serious. So focused. Holy shit, am I excited to be back, family. There he is, bright and early this morning. Good morning, work. Let's get paid, king. Let's go, baby. Yo, we're trading MFF today, my man. Still on Trade of 8 because I got to get better with Trade of 8. But today we're using MFF. Available. Let's do MFF 50k's. MFF 50k's. 2, 3, 4, 5. Save. And now we're using the MFF 50k's. Let's fucking go, baby. Morning, king. Let's go. Matrix, welcome in, baby. Hey, Muhammad, good morning, king. Good afternoon in your world, sir. MFF, let's fucking go. You got me over here, man. Let's go. Got MFF rolling today. Good morning, Danny. Welcome in, queen. Let's go. TLR, good morning, king. Let's lock in this weekend, gang. I love it. You mean this week? I hope you had a great weekend, though, TLR. Good morning, Mad Max. Welcome in, king. Kev, there we go. The family's rolling in. Hope everybody had a fantastic weekend. Keep the mindset right. Got away from the charts a little bit. Refreshed. I'm feeling refreshed. I'm feeling great. I'm feeling very good. Let's get it this week. I love it, Corey. Welcome in, king. Which plan, king? I got the core plan. The core plan with like the add-ons. So the most you can do is most we can make today is 1,500, right? Most I can make today is 1,500. You have to do 2%, or let me go look, to be just completely honest with you guys, because I'm not exactly sure. Balance 50, profit target. Right. Let me just look at the rules really quickly. Right, so we have to pass in 2 days, so we have to do 1,500. So it's basically just like Top Step. Right, need to make 1,500 today, make 1,500 tomorrow. Asia low taken out, knew she would, but got off half the move and locked myself out with 500 profit. So no trading now for me, just hanging out with you all. Let's go, queen. Way to get in there, take your little move like you do, hit it hard, get out. I love it. Way to start the week strong, Danny. That's how you find longevity in this game, baby. Let's go. I love it. She took out the Asia low, got a part of it. What are we looking at here, family? Right now, we are still finding a little bit of selling. Core is the best for its value. I got 3 with the flex plan. W's. You have 3 with the flex plan. Okay. What's the comparison with the flex plan or the scale plan or the core plan? Why do you like the flex plan there, Mo? I tried out the core plan just because it felt easy, felt simple. Loaded up on 5 MFFs. So MFF core plan is past 2-day pass, 1,500 in each day, 3K goal, and after you are funded, how many days of profit to get paid, target, etc. for those that play with MFF. Corey, so I believe, good morning, newbie. There she is. There's our other queen. Let's get it. Happy to have you here, newbie. It's the core, but with the free flex option, king. Got you. I think you have it. Yeah, I have the flex. I put the flex option on. How many days of profit to get paid? I think you only need 5 days of 150. Let me look real quick for you, king. Corey, I should have this. I should know this. I should know all this, but I don't. I'm sorry, I don't. So 0 activation fee, no daily loss limit, which is sexy. Tiered, or here, trading rules, evaluation. So 3K to pass, end of day, drawdown, which is nice. 50% consistency rule to pass. And then once you're funded, you can max contracts. So this is the biggest difference, is just 3 contracts max instead of 5. And then also, there's no consistency rule. You just have to have a scaling rule, I guess. What does that mean? And you need 5 winning days of $100. And then you need to have at least 250 in there to get a payout. Interesting. I like it. Let's see what type of trouble we can get into. I think you have it. Good morning, Vietnam. Coop, welcome in, king. Stoked to have you back, brother. Love the support. NASDAQ finding some impressive buying off taking Asia lows at the 25,000 whole number, basically, or the 24,955s. But now we're back above the 25,000s, pushing up into the 25s, 60s. See what happens here. If we can get back in around, I don't know. What are we looking for? What are we actually seeking here? Came up and around. Wouldn't mind finding some longs out of this, to be honest with you guys. Opening print candle brought us down, sweep of the lows, the continuation in the low sweep. And now we're rallying back up and above the 25,000s. I think if we got a pullback in around like the 25.16s, I'd like a long here. I'm actually going to put an order on, but I'm just going to put one contract. So what is that? 5. So buy 5 at this price here. We only need 1,500 today, families. Feels a lot more similar to Top Step. Feels a lot more achievable. Yeah, I got in at the 350s and got out around the 203s. Oh, my goodness, Danny. 150 points, Queen? Let's fucking go. Is this end of day or trailing? It's an end of day, Danny. Good morning, Amin. Welcome in, King. If you have less than 1K in your sim funded, max contracts is 1 to mini. 1 to 2K profit, max con 2 minis. That's the scaling. Once you reach 2.1K profits, your MML doesn't move from the 50,100s. Got you. Once you have sim funded, so that's how the sizing scales. I like it. London highs are the 360. London highs are the 360, almost exactly high. Yeah, 361, Danny. And you got in at 350. You're a queen. What a beautiful entry, and then nothing but downside since you got in pretty much. And then you covered around the, what do you say, the 203s. So you covered in around here. Wow. Great trading, Danny. I love it. Way to start the week, Queen. London highs are 360. There he is. Good morning, Elijah. Welcome in, King. Happy to have you back, brother. Hope the weekend was stellar. Nice. So much better than the trailing bullshit. I know. I already feel safer, ironically. Probably just mindset like everything else in trading, but I do feel more comfortable just with this little bit of system. It feels exactly like Top Step, but now we're using Trade-Evate, so I can get better at Trade-Evate for when Apex comes back. Come on. It's not Trade-Evate, it's us, so I'm going to get better. Buying the pullback on gold. What you see in TLR? Holy shit. Since it's selling, we've just done nothing really but continuation. Got up into around that price, open around there, still finding some selling. Okay. Good luck, sir. What is the data is delayed? Do we know why? Do we know why this is gold and saying that it's delayed like this? NASDAQ finding some selling off the first print candle in the 950s. Now finding some support into the 123s. Okay. Up 160 points here. Starting to find some strength. I'm still looking for a pullback, maybe in around these 16s. We're going to be patient, though. You saw Project X fucking all the other firms, King. Do you guys see that? Mo, that's wild. Top Step pulling the rug. It's like a rug pull. They enticed so many other prop firms to hop onto Project X, got people addicted to the gamifying quickness of Project X. The way that it flows and moves is so easy. Got a bunch of people to love it, and then pulled the rug on them so they can't use the API anymore, forcing a bunch of people to either transition out of Project X and learn Trade-Evate or TradingView, or switch over to Top Step. Crazy move out of them. Thanks, Tig. Let's get my Top Step back to funded, almost there. Let's go, Queen. I believe you. I believe in you. You have to go to the website under billing and change data for gold non-delayed. Oh, okay. Appreciate you, Mo. Appreciate you, Mo. We might do that in a little bit, but right now the NASDAQ just showing us some strength into the 170s now. Up 210 points from the bottom. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 candles. Just finding some strength coming for the highs. I think so too, Danny. I'm looking for longs, family. I am officially looking for longs. Let's find a little trend here that we can watch. I wouldn't mind a retest of this trend line. Just wanted to have another visual on the board. Looking for longs though, family. Just got to find a nice price that it makes sense. Honestly, so fucking smart, making them addicted, and now that once they remove consistency, everyone finna go to Top Step. Insane, isn't it, Mo? Just insane. Big move out of them. They got a bunch of people used to it, added as many props to use the API, and then they pulled the rug, and they're removing activation fees. So they're trying to make the space competitive. We'll see what happens. See what happens with it. Kind of insanity. Where's this price getting up into now? Might try to buy these 129s. Kind of think I have to be patient for the better fill down at the 16s, but I think this is at least worth a little attempt for 15 points here. Thing is, do I think I can get that to move 75 after? Probably not, so we're going to be patient. I do like this trend line retest, though. If we can get more confluences in it, it'd be nice. Something like this. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. Looking to see some selling here, or a little pullback into the long continuation. I mean activation, not consistency. Yep. Yeah, they removed the activation fee. They're dogs. They're so... It's crazy. Honestly, a crazy move out of Top Step. Right now, the NASDAQ also making its own little move. Finding straight strength since this opening print selling candle. Opened in around the 25,000s, and now we're up and around the 25,170s after dipping in a little. I love it. How we doing, family? Happy Monday. If we haven't yet, let's hit the like button. Let's get this stream popping this week. If she holds VWAP, I would take a buy. She's coming for the highs, I feel like. I think so too, Danny. I think so too, Queen. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Where the fuck is my VWAP? I only have an EMA, huh? Indicators. Yo, I only have the EMA. Okay. Well, only one way to change that. VWAP, please. Explore community indicators. Huh? Huh? I forget what the better one is. It's this one, right? The non-VWAP bands. This one has double the downloads, so we're going to go with it. Install. I believe that's the one I used. And now, take that. Go away. Go away. Indicators. Let's look it up now. VWAP. Non-VWAP bands. I don't want the upper, the lower, this one. I don't want this one. And I want this thickness to be a little thinner. 90. Save. There she is. Pulling back into the VWAP Danny likes along. Is that the actual price of the VWAP right now? Up at the 160s? I don't know if I like that. We're pulling into that in the hourly chart as well here. Pretty spread right now. I mean activation. If she holds VWAP, I like that, Danny. Right now, I really like this price to be updated into around somewhere around these 127.75s. I like. See if we can get a fill down here. Looks like we might be able to get a little fill. Looking for the 127s in the NASDAQ. Wanting to see if we can find some support back in around this price. I think the even safer entry would be a little bit lower, but this EMA might cause us a little reaction. Might not even get our 127, to be honest with you guys. EMA could easily hold here. EMA could easily hold here. Once you're funded, you only allowed 3 contracts with this account, so I like that. I gotta remember that. Max 15 size that we can put on. Come on, NQ. Give me a little fill here on these 127s. 142 is opening print of the day around 6 p.m. Asia. So right now it's trying to hold that opening print. Looking to see if we can maybe get a little love, but right now the EMA is acting as nice support, pushing us back and above the VWAP. Let's be patient here, family, but I still really like longs. We just got to find a spot that makes sense. We only need to make 1,500 today to half past these, so let's dial in here. But dang, she's just going to find some support at the VWAP, like Denny said. Just like you said, Queen. She just found some support and immediately is pushing. I can't join this top, just like yesterday or Friday. Even though this looks so promising for some continuation, you can get cooked. It only just clicked with me this weekend when looking at the charts that every session will take a high or low of the previous session. Hey, I love it. I love it, and that's why we usually like to look at PDL, previous day high, previous day low. But I love it, Queen. Great analysis. Way to spend some time on the weekend and dial that in. I love it. 150 holds. 150's trying to hold, pushing up into the 200s right now. I really wanted to see a fill at the 127s, but you're right, Amy. Right now the 140s are being strong. We back. Good morning, Saucy. Good morning, my man. Let's get it this week, huh? Looking for a fill at the 127s. NASDAQ trying to hold this VWAP. EMA could be the spot where we find the support, but I'm still really being a little hopeful. Look at the 127s. I think this pullback of this trend line could even be safer in around these prices, but we're going to be patient. Because I don't think I mean, pullback in around here would be like this price. So not a bad price either, but I like the 27s here. Selling below the VWAP now. Can we get below this EMA, or are you going to find some more resistance there? This gray bar is the opening print price, 6 p.m. last night. So it's the session open. Smash the like and leave a comment. Let's have a week. Come on, Saucy. If we haven't yet, family, let's get these likes rolling. There's already 24 of us. Let's get 20 likes going. Let's get 20 likes going, family. I usually just mark the highs of the previous day, but not the up separate sessions. But for sure, we'll do that from now on. Oh, you mean like Asia high, Asia low, New York high, New York low, instead of previous day, previous. Okay. Okay, Danny. I like that. Asia sessions, London sessions, and New York session ranges. I love it. Appreciate you, Danny. Ty, you got to start uploading videos. Last one was very enjoyable and high quality. Hey, Mo. Thank you, man. Means the most, King. I promise you, I have full intention to. I just, man, I've been busy. I've been a busy man. But soon, you guys have my word. Soon I'm going to be putting more and more and more into the channel. Only trying to provide as much value as I can. Share the things that I think you guys want to see. But right now, I just don't got the time. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Jelly bean. Well, we never got the option. VWAP is continuing to hold. I'm going to be a little bit patient here. Still feels like Friday where I try to get in on this candle before it actually fed us. So I'm going to keep my order down here where I really want to get our fill. Not be impatient like I was Friday. I still like this chance to give us a little clicky boom before the move. But we'll see what happens. Good morning, bro. Let's go, Patrick. Come on, Patrick Wilt. Let's go, King. Happy to have you back, brother. Happy Monday. I'm ripping pistachios this morning. Your pistachios? Come on, those are my thingy sauce. Drops of likes. We had 11. We had 11. Let's go, family. There's 24 people in here. Let's get over 20. Let's get over 20 likes. If we haven't yet, hit that little button, family. Easiest way to show some love. Right now, that on the hourly chart, we're getting above a VWAP. The EMA is also curling. I want to find a price, but we got to be patient. Some dill pickle almonds, or some dill pickle pistachios. What's the brand though? Come on, come on. Looking very similar to Friday's price action, family, where we just had a lot of bullishness. We had to wait for a little bit of pullback. I ended up trying to get in early, like this candle here. So we're going to be a little bit more patient. But I like the longs to continue here. Now into the 220s. They're not waiting for us, though. They're just going one way. What is your analysis / bias? I'm very much looking for the long side here, Pat. Very much looking for the longs. Friday's move was nice and strong to the upside. We kind of held over the Sunday, this previous session. Nice little easy casual dip into a nice price of taking out Asia lows into yesterday or Friday support level. And now we're starting to find some pushing again. So I think we could go and take out these highs, these 360s. I think we could. I'm looking for some long continuation. Giants, not sure I've had them before. I like that. Little Giants dill pickle pistachios. Nothing wrong with that to start the morning. Shorts at the 290 to 300 king. All right, I like that, Mo. Be patient. Wait for that fill up there. I'm personally trying to find a long into your price, into those 300s. Long from the 80s on my practice account. Let's go, Danny. I love it. You did exactly what you said you were going to do. A, you locked out of your personal account, your XFA, so now you're just in a practice. And then B, you took the long continuation off the VWAP like you said you're going to. Really good trading out of you lately, Queen. Nice. Let's see what happens. I got my charts marked. Be patient, guys. Let's go, King. That's all we got to do. Be patient. Show up with the right mindset. The rest will perform. The rest is up to the markets. Into the 25,220s. NASDAQ still just kind of looking bullish. Longs are clearly in control right now. Our job is to be patient, find a nice spot to get in with them. If you look at the hourly chart over here, we're well above the VWAP, and the EMA starting to curl above the VWAP as well. So I think overall we have some higher prices to take out. At least in around these 260s, like 280s, 290s, 300, kind of like Mo was saying. Yo, I'm up 1.6 milli. Yo, keep your profits out of chat, Sobs. Don't do that. Don't bring your profits and make everybody like gas us up. Welcome in, King. Happy to have you back, brother. Welcome to have you, Sobs. Let's get it, King. Right now, the NASDAQ just printing. Just printing. One selling candle. Bring us down to the 255s, and then NASDAQ just responded with some longs. Yo, is Saucy here? He is here. Only 1.6 milli Sob. Come on, you got more than that. I'm up 2.4 mil on 3 contracts, 8 points. Oh, I love it. Into the 230s. NASDAQ not even looking like it wants this to join. It's just going one direction right now. Like Danny said. What's up, King? Let us know. Let us know. You better tell us something. Coming for the London. You got a new driver. No! He got a hole in one. What? No fucking way, Sobs. The fact that you, brother, jealous you even got to play yesterday, and then you put one in the cup from the tee box. You dirty little dog. Congrats, King. Fuck yeah, you did. How did that look on the scorecard? A little Uno. How'd that look on the old scorecard? What was a par 3 probably? I wasn't even supposed to play. That's wild, man. So envious. Come on. Not only did you get to swing some golf clubs yesterday, you put one in the cup from the tee box. It's fucking epic. Wow. NASDAQ, look at this hourly chart, guys. Super strong. Very similar to Fridays. Very similar to Fridays. We're looking to join this. We just got to find a spot that makes sense. I think at this point now, any VWAP touch would be strong. Got to update our price a little bit into the 169s. I was looking to go a little higher, but right now it's looking like the 169s. Might be the only spot we get a chance. Soak it in. May never happen again, man. Nah, it'll happen again. That's badass. Yeah, par 3, 127 yards. Insane. Took a little video walking down to the green and shit. Oh, let's fucking go, Sob. Insane. Did I tell you about my shot this year? Let's go. Oh, absolutely saved that ball. Yeah, Saucy hold out from like 180 yards. Nuts. Nuts. Bro, congrats. I've been playing for like 4 years now. Still have not gotten one. I mean, TLR, that's not, you're not unnormal there, King. Those are insane. I have a limit on the 290s. TP at the 260. You just need a $600 from each account. I love it, Mo. That's all you need, King. Base hits. Base hits, baby. Don't need to shoot for the moon. Yeah, save ball and scorecard, even though the rest of the rounds was downhill. Yeah, because you were just on cloud 10, man. I love it. Solo birdie and a scramble after 2 horrible first shots. Let's fucking go. Hold out from 186 is nuts. 15-minute range is in. 130s look good for buys. Pat, you're the dude. Appreciate you, King. Look how behind I am. Look how behind I am. Here's our first 15-minute range. I would like a pullback into VWAP, I think. I think it's a little overzealous. It might just hold at these 200s at the top of the 15-minute range. 130s look good for buys. 130s, I love it, but I think it's a little low. I was looking at initially for the 127s, was my first looking for a fill. Never got it. Now, price held, opening print price of the actual session. This gray line is the session at 6 p.m. open. They held that very strong. EMA curled up through. Now I think the safest we could look for is maybe a pull into the VWAP. Maybe could even hold the top of the range here. So see what happens. Yo, there he is, Pobby. Let's go, King. Happy Monday, sir. Dang, nothing feels better than those shots. No doubt. Fib confluence with the top of the range. All right, Pat. I like that. I like that. Top of the range could be a good spot. That's kind of what I'm thinking, too. The top of this range is a 200 spot. 200 whole number, top of the range. Are there any other reasons? Yeah, there are right away. So I'm with you, Pat. I think 200 could be a really nice spot. Still think I'm going to look for... kind of want to wait for VWAP, but I think I could be cooked if I do that. Top of the range. Good morning, fam. Good morning, Shiro. Welcome in, King. Happy to have you back, brother. Happy Monday. Let's get focused. Holding the EMA very nicely. Yeah, it is. Very well. Just riding that thing up right now. Just riding on the hourly chart. The EMA is curled over the VWAP. EMA curled over the VWAP on the 1 minute. I still like a VWAP chance here, but it feels a little bit less likely now. Hey, how do I delete this? Go away. Go away, go away, go away. Good morning, Shiro. Let's go, Zossi. Gotta see the reaction, though. Of course, see the reaction of these 200. Right now, the longs are trying to hold. Yo, there's 32 people watching, family. Can we get over that 20 likes? Show some love. Let's get over there. Start this week on some energy with some momentum. NASDAQ pushing into the 250s. Up already what is that? 50, 050, 250. Yeah, 300 points. Holy shit. Up 300 points from the open here at the 255s, at the 955s, I mean. Incredible. Just looking bullish right now. Want to see the reaction to the top of the range here. Could look for some continuation to the long, or might even wait for a nice VWAP fill. One of those two. See what happens first. 300 points. Damn. I know, Saab. Just one direction, leaving without us. Looking pretty similar to Friday. Strong buying out the open. Holding all the levels for pullbacks and just continuing to the upside. Right now, I'm looking for a long at the 169s, longing the VWAP touch if we get a pullback. Wouldn't mind a pullback to the initial balance high for longs, maybe. I like that. And there's 200. We're getting there right now, King. I like that analysis, Saab. I'm feeling more confident and comfortable on Trade of 8, guys. Right away, feeling a little bit more comfortable with it. Obviously, still a little bit learning to do and things to adjust, but I don't know if it's just MFF or what, but I feel a little bit more comfortable looking at this chart right now. Or maybe that VWAP. Yeah, no, that's what I'm thinking too. It's either going to be this 200 whole number, the top of the range. We could easily find some support here, but I'm looking for a little bit more of a pullback. Just a little bit. Just a little bit of a tiniest little touch. Tiniest little touch of the WAP. Tiniest little touch at the WAP, although that's 50 points from where we're at right now. So Trade of 8 is a nice platform if you are used to it. I like that, Danny. I think we're going to get used to it. We're going to get used to it, and we're going to make a lot of motherfucking money with Trade of 8 in the next couple months, next couple years here. Into the 200s, testing the top of the 15-minute range. Expected to find some buyers here, but I want to see a little bit of a dip into the VWAP. Expected to find some buyers at these 200s, though. They might be enough to bring it all the way back. So we'll see what happens. It's definitely the end of the day drawdown. You're probably right, man. Definitely probably right, Max. Trailing drawdown's fucking weird. I don't know how to trade it. I just don't know how to trade it. I know how to trade this. I know how to trade a little bit more calm price candles and allowing things to actually play out with a little bit of like normalcy, not just poking and praying at candles. Is what Apex feels like a little bit. Or at least to get out of that initial spot. Getting below the EMA here, holding that 200s, the top of the range. I want to see a little bit, tiniest bit of a dip into the VWAP here at the 170s. Might give us a chance. Might give us a little bit of a chance here. Oh, come get us. Oh, come get us. Come get us at these 171s, Nazi. I know you want to. That's the thing about it. Like, you want us to be a part of this move, huh? I can just tell. And that's fine. You get to get us. You just got to do the thing. The best thing is to just take a profit off. You have to trail your stop more aggressively and just take what you get so the drawback can't swing back and crush you to going break even. You're definitely right, Pat. Absolutely. Got to just be willing to close trades quicker. Just not used to it, right? Used to a little bit longer holds. What firm you on now? This is MFF, Sobs. My Funded Futures. I like them. I like Topps Apex too. It's just they didn't have any more deals, and I ain't paying for the full price. So went with MFF. Pretty cheap. You get $77 per account for the core plan, and you can run 5 of them. No activation fee. So really pretty cheap overall, I think. And yeah, we'll see what happens. See what type of trouble we can get into, huh? Right now, the 200s at the top of the range is looking to be some support. Longs are finding some structure here. Still below the EMA. I wanted a little bit of a dip into the 170s, but we might not get it. 90% sale for sure with Apex on Thanksgiving. I think so too, Queen, and I cannot wait. I'm going to milk that up, baby. I think you're right, though. I think they're going to have a nice little deal. I think they're going to have a nice little deal. This account was just $59 like a week ago. That's even better. I paid, what I pay, $18 more per account. Trail like M1 to 4 or the 1 to 2 profit once you're up. 1 to 4 or 1 to 2 profit once you're up. I like it, Pat. I saw this video for you and y'all in chat I saw this video for you and y'all in chat looking at different props. Wait, I saw this video for you and y'all in chat looking at different props. What was the video, Sobs? Breaking down props and all their like things. Yeah, all their differences. They have a new scale plan with daily payouts, but trailing drawdown. Ooh. I don't like that we're dojing at this 200, family. I really want to try to get a fill here. Might get it now, actually. Come on, come get us. Hell yeah, let's milk it. Let's milk it, Pavi. Let's go steal from them. Getting 5 accounts when they drop that. I love it, Danny. Code TFF. I really hope they do that, though. Little Thanksgiving, little give backsies to us. Give back to your community. Come on, give me that 90%. No activation, single day pass. Still looking for these 170s. Right now, we're getting teased just above the VWAP. There's a doji that printed at this spot. This doji here is a little concerning because if we base back above it, I don't think I'm gonna get a fill. Make them go broke. Come on, this guy tried all the different props and breaks down pros and cons of how they work. I love it. What's that video, Subs? That'd be really useful for us. Is your code live yet? If so, would for sure use it. Yeah, hell yeah, Danny. We just got past TFF, trading for freedom, baby. TFF, we are trading for freedom. It's not live yet, or it's live, but they don't have any discounts. So don't put it in yet. Don't use it. Wait till we get that, hopefully, 90% Thanksgiving. Hopefully, fingers crossed. Come on, are we about to get a fill right here on the 170s? Are we about to get put into our first MFF trade right now? There's 28 people watching, family. If we haven't yet, let's put that likes in for getting filled, baby. Let's get it. Let's put our likes in, though. See if we can get to 20. Stops are going to be... Where do I want to put my stops, realistically? Truthfully, it'd be in below this price. In below this opening print where we already found some structure. I'm going to put it in. Sell 5, stop. Sell 5, stop. So our stop losses are in. Looking to see if we can get a hold of this VWAP. I have a bad feeling that it's just going to come hunt our stops, though, before actually continuing. Let's see what happens. Nice. 13. Drops the likes, chat. Only 13, family. What are we doing? And why are we always finding selling as soon as I fucking look for it, dude? Into the 130s there, Pat. Into the 150s. This is the last spot we got to see price hold. Otherwise, we're going to definitely be cooked here. I'm not gonna lie to you, I might just let this I might just let this contract play out. I mean, we're only $600 in drawdown. We can afford more, but I'm not gonna get stopped out of this. Down 900. Let's see if we can find some support here. This is where I was looking for my original fill at the 127s. I'd almost consider adding down here into this position, but we're down on the trade now, so I kind of can't. I want to find some support back around here. Want to find some support. We're getting back into a decent spot to find a push on this hourly range. Deeper than I expected, though. Holy shit. I mean, wow. I'm going to treat these like Apex, though. I'm going to give it the life that it needs. We're either going to pass or we're going to blow. Not sure about the buys now. I made 211 in 0 seconds. Literally, I'll take it. I'll wait for the reaction, then enter tie. Yeah, I mean, you're probably not wrong, King. Right now, we're definitely finding some extra selling, more than I expected to see. 5 minis love getting pennies in front of a bulldozer. Let's go. 211 in 0 seconds. Well, we almost just got cooked there. I'm not even going to lie to you guys. Way deeper of a pullback than I expected. The longs are starting to show back up, but they kind of waited. They kind of waited a little longer than I wanted to see there. See what happens. If we can get back above the VWAP, I'm going to like it a little bit more and maybe add into this. I would have already blown these accounts if this was Apex because of the trailing drawdown. That's why I just don't know how to trade trailing drawdown. I want to see the longs find some excitement through here. I want to see if the longs can get excited through here. Didn't expect this deep of a pullback. Let's get up there, Nazi. Let's get up through there, Nazi. I want to see at least another test of our price. If we can hold back above VWAP, we're going to be strong. Otherwise, we're probably going to be unlucky here. Once we find some stability here, I'm going to put our stop loss back in around this price to not give up unnecessary profits. I want to see the longs try to get through there. Right now, they're looking like they're getting held down, though. Did we get 50% of the pullback? Not quite. Okay. Can we get back above the VWAP here? This is going to be the money maker. Excuse me. Can we get back up above there, Nazi? I don't love this candle structure so far. I feel like we have a good chance to come take these lows out. Wow. No bueno. Come on, Nazi. Where are these longs at? These super hyper excited longs. Why do we just pull up into the 250s and then just find some selling? I mean, the 250s on the hourly chart makes a little bit of sense. I would have expected more like the 280s, though. Dang, now back into the 110s. Yeah, I think we're going to be wrong, family. EMA curled back below the VWAP. If we can't find some support here at this previous spot, I think we're going to be cooked. Tough. Tough to see. Bro, tell me about the LLC. How do you do it, and does it really helpful? Locked myself out. Oh, okay. Now back to MNQ. I was doing good, huh? All right, Bobby. I like that, King. Way to lock yourself out. Rizarif, the LLC. How do you do it? You can sign up for LLCs on a bunch of different platforms. I think there's LegalZoom, TaylorMade, Zen, something like that. Yeah, pretty easy to set up, man, and it is helpful in terms of like taxes and everything if you are in a spot that matters for you. Allows me to do a couple things flexibility wise. Are you fucking serious? Just weakness in this price. Wow. We're gonna have these busted, family. Into the 25,070s again. Straight weakness in the NASDAQ after we took the long. Sad to see it. I guess it's a Monday, so we could have expected a little bit of both side ranges, but yeah, it's brutal. Jesus fucking Christ, man. Oh, this makes me so annoyed. Why are we just one direction both ways? Tell me how, if you just buy a long, you get to ride this up for 300 points, and if you just buy a short, you get to ride it down for another fucking 180 points. Like, what is that? Sellers loaded. Damn, busted my accounts. I'm right behind you. 5 EMA on the 5 on the 50s. 5 EMA on the 5 on the 50s. Wow. Sellers definitely loaded, Pat. No doubt about that, King. They weren't fucking around there. Go to your government website like your state and go from there and boom, LLC. Brush it off, bro. Next time I'd wait. See the reaction you want and then enter. You can't always wait though, Pat. If you wait, then sometimes we can get, like, if you always wait for the reaction, sometimes price will just move without you. You got to be willing to step in sometimes. I guess maybe this time might have been different, but not really. The way that we were like slowly decompressing like into this, I would have expected that if we did just get a tap, we could have got a reaction. It's a 50-50, right? Every single trade is. So that didn't stop you out. Mo, it didn't. I don't know why. It definitely should have. So we're on free time right now. Yes, I remember when I did my LLC for my company. Never did it. LOL, rip. Pobby. Well, not really sure what to make of this. These accounts kind of should have been killed, honestly. Finding a little bit of support. Maybe back above the EMA will be safe. These longs playing games. Back at this EMA. VWAP's pretty close above. This is opening print price of the session at these 150s. That was so lucky, absolutely. We should have been out of this. This should have been busted. We were down like 2,200 bucks. Got saved by some luck of the draw. And now we might still get a chance here. If this NASDAQ keeps pushing up towards this VWAP, I'll feel a little bit safer about it. Next obstacle is this gray line here, which is the opening print price of the session. Bro, why don't you make a video about making an LLC? I just don't think it'd be that useful, Reserve. I don't think it'd be super useful, but I can share any tips and questions you have right here, man. I can share anything like that right here for you. If that stopped you out and then pumped back, you'd have broke the setup. Yeah, Mo. If we just got stopped out like that and then it just brought us back, it would have been reality, but I would have been fucking fuming. Because that's just been my trading lately. I don't really love the fact that we're holding here like this. I want to see some longs to take this continuation to the upside here. We got to get through this opening print price of the session. Get up and through there now. Get up and through there now. Stop playing with us. These 100s I like for a chance to hold as well. Excuse me. I'm just going to let this blow. You blew up, Ty? About to. About to, Pobby. We got to see this EMA hold, or else these are going to come right back down to this bottom, and we're going to blow it. Otherwise, this could blow. Hopefully, she comes back still in this. We'll see what happens, huh, Pat? 20 EMA right here at this price. That's why we're sitting here like this right now, Danny. Debating if we want to go up or not. Lots of battle at the spot. Through the 155s would be nice. Can we get some love? Can we get through this 50 EMA, this 20 EMA? You got this, King. Hey, Bobby, you're the man. Y'all are the best. We got 30 people watching, hanging out. If we haven't yet, family, let's show some love. Hit the like button. Easiest way to show the stream a little bit of support. Otherwise, this NASDAQ is just taking my lunch money. It's taking my lunch money. Still got to find some support, though. We're not out of the woods. If this comes back and takes out the loads, it's going to bust our accounts. Oh, well. Let's see. It's either going to come back and bust these accounts or not. Back above the VWAP, we're going to look pretty strong. I could even consider adding back and above the VWAP. Man, these 140s, though. Look at the resistance there. Wick, 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 wick. Flatness. Flat prices and wicks at these 140s. This is that 20 EMA Dana was talking about. It's also the opening print price of the session. So, interesting. Interesting. That means that our daily candle is dojing right now. The daily candle. Yep. That means that we're dojing on the daily. Can't decide where we want to go. This is the moment right here. We start breaking above this candle's going to start printing green. If we continue to print below it, it's going to flip red. This is like a big line in the sand right here. Big moment, a big decision-making moment. Who wants it? Longs or shorts? Show me some big whites, no wicks. Get through there. This is the candle moment on the daily chart. We're flipping it and we're inverting a doji. It's either going to decide print bullish or bearish here. Come on, print green. Get up there. The longer we sit here at this price, the less I like it for continuation. We should have already found some support. The longs should step in. Right now, the shorts are clearly in control, keeping this price suppressed. Shorts are clearly in control, suppressing price right here. Just a random question. If anyone knows, is Snap still giving money for food this month? I was thinking of donating food to people for Thanksgiving. Oh, WU, Pobby. WU, King. I don't think so, man. I think SNAP benefits have been terminated, at least from what I know. At least I could be wrong, but WU, man, we should all be looking to do something like that. And there it is, the failing to hold the EMA there, the longs. Like I said, I don't like their way that they're getting suppressed by these shorts. We got to see an actual reaction here if we want to see any chance of finding this pushback. Whoa, nice little doji print there, though, a little hammer candle. I don't really know if that's bullish or bearish, honestly. This price is not finding any fucking buying since this early couple candles that we had. Everything just looks weak now. Boring. Asia low, maybe. Is that this red line, Danny? Oh, no, that's... Yeah, I don't even know how to... Where is the Asia low? It's hard to read with this new thing. Flashed us again. Probably going to be fucking wrong. Jesus Christ, man. So annoying. So boring. Can we hit a fucking trade lately? Like, it's been every single day. I don't understand. 0.22s. Very likely. Yeah, it just makes me sad knowing people don't got food, so I said I'd do anything for Thanksgiving since everyone deserves to eat. Fuck yeah, Pobby. Fuck yeah, Pobby. You with Apex still? Yeah, I still trade with them, but right now they don't have any of their discounts going, dude. So I'm just been trading. I traded these. Today's with MFF just because they have a decent little core plan for fairly cheap prices. So that's what we're running with right now, but still with Apex for sure. This is agonizing. I think we're going to find some selling here. How do you feel about them so far? So far, I feel really good actually, dude. MFF feels similar to Top Step in terms of their rules and everything. And it even made Tradeovate. Like, I feel more comfortable on Tradeovate right now just using them, knowing that. I don't know. It just feels really good. I don't really know how to explain it. Way better than Apex so far in terms of just the simplicity of everything. Yeah, and there we go. There's our low taken out again. Why are these not busting? 2200 in red. They're probably busted just like updating, huh? Me and my family usually make a fuck ton of tamales, so I was thinking of giving some away to people on the street, and yes, I do that too, Danielle. Tamales! I love it, Pobby. That's king status, bro. Way to give back. Way to be thinking about other people, man. Huge. It's the season for that. Put other people in your thoughts. The less fortunate. Come on, come on, come on. Look at this big fat red number. 10,000 sticks to the downside. Gross. Gross. Shorts feel like they're now in control this morning. I don't know what the fuck, where that flipped over, but shorts loaded up. Now they're in control. Oh, that's a rejection. Yeah, we rejected this price pretty strong at 20 EMA. Pushed off pretty nicely. Still held this other bottom, sort of, but not really. Nice, Pablo. I give them 2. It's not fun being hungry. No one deserves that. Oh, you did donate clothes too? I love it, Danny. Let's go, people. We are getting close to the best holiday of the fucking year. Time to be thinking about other people. Time to be thinking about just giving, caring, loving. All the things. I'm so frustrated with these longs right now. Like, what the fuck is this insane reaction to push 300 points in the first 20 minutes and then just to go to sleep? Like, what the fuck, dude? Honestly, how did this not close yet? How are you still in? I know. I don't know. I'm like, what is happening? I have no idea, family. We should be definitely cooked. We've been 2,200 drawdown like 3 times. I think you have 2,500 drawdown. No, I don't think so, Pat. Look at this right here. Drawdown liquidation, 48,000 flat. And we went to 48. We went to like 47 a couple times. 2,500s with Apex. Can we get a fucking bullish print, man? My word. Since fucking 9:56, now fucking 30 minutes of just selling after a ridiculous amount of buying. Can we get some fucking support? Man. up with this shit? Is this a trend line that we can recognize here? No, not that line, please. Up and through this hundreds, we look pretty strong. I'm not going to lie. If we get up and through these hundreds, we look pretty strong. Flag is starting to break a little bit. I think your 2,500 drawdown is 2,000. Yeah, but never. Yeah, but we've been over 2K LOL. MFF is the best, I guess. I'm kidding. They are rooting for you too, huh? Let's go. Let's go. We actually have a prop firm on our side, guys, instead of just people liquidating us for bottom ticks and shit. Maybe MFF is the shit. Maybe they're actually on our team. Because, yeah, we just definitely took some extra drawdown there. More than we deserved. So, we'll see what happens. Bro, what's your model to trade? Harish Kumar. Welcome in, man. Happy to have you here, brother. A couple different things. Mostly outside edges. Sometimes VWAP. Sometimes it's discretionary. Sometimes we take price action. Whatever we're seeing, finding the day. All right, King. I'm done for the day. Up 500. Locking out. Let's go, Matrix. Way to make money, King, and take it in. I always get latency live $50, but never this much WMFF. We got lucky. We got lucky. But, yeah, it's usually just outside edges. We try to find a pullback into the 50-minute range as well. Today, we really just were joining the longs. There's nothing crazy about it. We just tried to join the longs. Got cooked. Now we gotta get a little bit of love. Bro, my girlfriend just told me it's illegal to give out food to the homeless, apparently. I'll get a ticket on the fine if they see me doing it. I'll take my chances. I'll fuck them. Isn't that crazy, though? I think it's dependent per state, but that's just unreal, Pobby. Joe, Tyler, how does drawdown work with MFF? How would blow the account if you did? I'm pretty sure it's the same as everything else, King. Morgan, I'm pretty sure, man, where if we aren't getting... And once we get to that auto liquidation, like drawdown auto is 48,000, it should bust us, but it hasn't, so I don't know. It should bust us, but it hasn't, so I don't know. I'm just going to watch. We're either going to watch this close down to this low down here and take us out and stop us so we can see, or we're going to get this to continue to our upside and find out. Close the trade if it gets to break even. There's a good chance, Matrix, that I'm trying to get out of this, but I don't know. At this point now, if we actually got back to VWAP, it'd be pretty strong. I don't really see that happening. I think we're pretty much under the water here. 16 likes. Let's get to 20. Drops the likes, chat. Come on, family. Show some love. Where we at with those likes? Who's being stubborn? Hit that little thumb up. Let's get it. Let's get it. Apex is difficult to pass. Apex is so hard to pass, Harish. It's been really tough. But we get better. We try again. All right. Back to $2,000 drawdown. Fucking fuck. Sellers just completely in control out of nowhere. So frustrating. Like, seriously frustrating. We get a 300 point rips on the open. Find no continuation from the longs whatsoever. Like, motherfucker, dude. This last little spot down here at these 75s are like our only last chance. Let's get 20 likes. Drops the chat. Apex is difficult to pass. They are, and this is MFF, so we don't even have any excuses today. 20 likes. Ty does another giveaway. JK. Bobby. You have to take Apex slow or just go all in and hope and pray and trail it super tight. That's what it feels like, Danny, which doesn't feel like trading, so it's been weird. You kind of got to just poke and get lucky. Like, look at the selling here, man. Fuck. I think it's a bear trap. You just happen to enter a bit early. Oh, I think so too, Matrix. I tend to fucking do that lately. I tend to buy a candle or a point too early, and I'll get bottom ticked, top ticked. Have you thought about reducing your trade size? Like, it could really boost your confidence. I haven't, dude. I haven't. My confidence has been kicked a little bit lately, just as I've been taking fucking a lot of losing trades. But I also know probability, right? So I know that we're just getting closer and closer to going on a warm streak. So I don't really want to size down, because once we do start hitting it, I actually want to size up. Once we start hitting it and start warming up and the charts are kind of like listening to our setup again, which, you know, everything's cyclical. But once we start catching it again, I don't want to be used to sizing down. I want to actually go size up. Trading is really interesting, guys. It's ebb and flows, right? Lots of roller coaster, lots of momentum. People typically will go on a downslide and start trying to like average or play more when really you should be playing more and doubling down and tripling down when you're hitting your trades, because that's just the way you can get profitability. Come on, Nasdaq, come back for us. Isn't MFF also trailing once you pass the account? That's actually a great question, Danny. I don't know. I don't think so. Daily drawdown. No. Drawdown mode is end of day once you're in funded rules. So that's sick. Hey, Ty, if Apex does 90% off, save them for CPI and YOLO them. Well, if they do 80%, 90% off, we're going to run that shit. What is this link, Pat? Damn, just came back. You're still in, Ty. Hopefully it reverses for you. I appreciate you, TLR. We'll see what happens. Nope, it's end of day at Danny. Trade by Matt does a vid on passing 50k's Apex. I think they changed it. Apex, that's what that link is. Appreciate you, Pat. Definitely going to have to watch that. Trade by Matt. That man knows how to do it. He's done it before. All right, family. Let's seriously focus right now. Do we want to get out at VWAP? Or are we going to let this kind of try to carry through? I want to see some continuation now, but we'll see. Once we get back above VWAP, I'm not taking another loss. I'm just going to put my stop loss in below these 11s. Well, it doesn't really matter, but we'll see. Gotta love the pump. Go on Nazi. Yeah, we got to see if we can get above the VWAP. Otherwise, shorts are still just loading up here. I want to see an attempt through this VWAP. Otherwise, we are still very much cooked on this trade. Not loving the reaction back below this flat price. See this flatness here, guys? This is what Danny was saying with the 20 EMA. It's also this gray line is the opening print price of the day. So we're right back to fucking doji. Deciding what this candle really wants to do. If it flips white, we're going to look pretty strong here. If it starts going bullish. Right now, we're exactly at this price, trying to see if we really want to go up or down for the day. I think they changed it. Gotta love the pump going, Nazi. I think you're safe. I'm a nasty girl. You almost... I appreciate it, Matrix. Hopefully we are, King. If we're not, we'll be okay, too. You're a nasty girl. Don't do that, Bobby. My experience suggests something slightly different, but I guess we all just see it differently. What do you mean, dude? You saying you think we're in trouble here below the VWAP? Is that what you're saying, King? This PX turned into straight ass. I know. That's why I'm frustrated, Sobs. We get fucking beautiful prints. We're up 300 plus points. We're looking gorgeous. We try to find some momentum and then just fucking crap price action. Like, honestly, crap. Look at this. I do think we're overall in a decent spot, though. Now we just got to be patient. I do overall think we took the brunt of it. Bro was halfway of reading my shit and nope, not reading it. Yeah, dude. I read it quick. I read it quick enough. Oh my god, the reaction at the VWAP is not what we wanted to see. Fuck. Can we get through there? Look at this daily candle. This is the daily candle. Dojin. Contemplating where it really wants to go. Look at these fucking giant wicks as well. Like, we have so many reasons to find some support here and push back up. Other than the fact that I'm in a long. Really, the only reason this market's not going up is because Tyler's in a long. That's what it feels like. If I fucking close this position, this thing jets up. Still below these 140s is gross. God damn it. Look at this candle in Dojin. And now we're going to find selling. Not going to hold the VWAP, and we're going to find some selling. Oh, boring. My fucking word. Unreal. Facts. If I was in a short, it would rock it up. No doubt. No doubt about it. That's the fucking thing. Long, short, doesn't matter. 100-point range for the last 340 minutes is a stop killer. Long, short, doesn't matter. 100-point range for the last 340 minutes is a stop killer. Yep. Yeah, this is absolutely atrocious. My God, man. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Can you just fucking take my money then? Stop with this bullshit. This is awful. Wow. I'm highly frustrated now. Fuck, bro. You still in a trade? Yup. Yup. Absolutely pathetic. Incredible bullish push. Slight pullback into the VWAP. Oh, I'm going to take a long here. And then we just chop in the fucking range and just die. All momentum dies. Gross. Look at us. Down $2,200. 22 and climbing. It's going to get worse. We're going to go take out these lows.
Order filled.
No, finally. Only 20. Oh my God. Yeah, I don't even have words. It's so fucking annoying. Looks like the extra wiggle room annoyed you, King. This is just obnoxious, dude. The lack of fucking continuation is just what's annoying. Why are we chopping below the VWAP and holding in the 50% of the range? This is so abnormal. Look at this giant 50-minute range. 50% of it's right here. And we go up 300. What did we actually rip? 955 to the... Yeah, literally 300 points in the first 21 minutes of the market. Pull back into the VWAP. Find a long. And then it just chops between these next two prices of the 64s and the VWAP. Why? Why are we chopping at the fucking 64s, man? Unreal. Yeah, it's straight up dropping. This is obnoxious. So fucking annoying. Give us clean price delivery. Like, seriously. And it's going to. It just had to stop me out one more fucking time. God. Matrix. It's gonna rip now after stopping me out, isn't it? That's the only thing that makes sense here. Come on, do the thing. Go take out that low so I don't have to feel upset. Go take out the low so I can just know that that's what it was and I'm an idiot. Why? I am on a fucking down. What is it? Drawdown? I'm on a tilt. What's it called when you just haven't hit a fucking winning trade in what feels like forever? That is what I am on. Shit. Which means when it comes back, it's going to come back and we're going to crush. Until then, take my money. Until then, take my money. I don't want it. Fuck. Losing streak. That's it. I'm on a fucking drawdown. I'm on a losing streak. Just straight L's all over the place. Up and down. I was in a drawdown May, June, and July. Fuck, Kev. Gotta wait till she comes back. Wait for red folder this Thursday, full port. Matrix. Can't do it. I will not gamble news. I will lose like I did today and like I have been, which is just shitty trades, but I will not gamble news. Did a short at the 25-240s, closed at 35.75. Phillips, let's go, King. First time I think I've seen your name, chatter, so congratulations. Hell of a short, King. Bro, I feel like these past couple months it's been tough. It has, Bobby. Literally since our fucking... Oh, yeah. It has. Since the big payouts, I've just been struggling. You guys want to see a bottom tick? Naz is respecting my strategy now. See, that's the thing. It just ebbs and flows. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't, Phillips. I love it, though. Congratulations. Keep milking it while it's here, King. While it's actually respecting your strategy, double down, triple down. Size up. Don't size down. You got stuck by evil eye, King. You got struck by the evil eye. Well, fucking unstick me. Leave me alone, evil eye. I am focused on other things. Yeah, I watch your videos, but first time on your live. Hey, WU, Phillips. Appreciate you for being here, King. Means a lot, man. Congrats on your short. And like I said, while it's respecting your strategy, triple the fuck down. Add size. Because it won't always. It won't always respect your shit, so make it happen. After a losing streak, a winning streak will follow. That's it, Queen. Game of probability. You can only lose so much. Once we start hitting it, these charts better look out. Because I'm going to attack them. But right now, we are the losers, and I can get over that. We can get better. We're never going to win every trade, never going to win every day. Our job is to take the losses, adjust, take whatever information you can from it, and come back stronger. So that's what we're going to do. There are 29 people watching, though, family. If we haven't yet, let's show some love. Hit the like button. That's one way we can win. I can't win on the charts, but I will win with likes, baby. Let's get it. It looked like we were going to be a bottom tick there, but my stack is literally just chopped cheese right now. Why? Like, what the fuck? Absolutely choppy shit. Yeah, I don't know. I love that, Bobby. Remember, you can win 2,000%, but only lose 100%. Let's gamble. Let's go, Bobby. That one thumb up is me. Let's go, Matrix. You're the man. Hey, better to be struggling on combines, brother. Dial it in on funded. W mindset, Diego. I love that shit, too. Better to be struggling in the combine phases. All right, King, I'm head back to sleep. Take a break and try again tomorrow. Cheers. You too, King. Take it easy. See you in the morning. Appreciate you for being here, Matrix. Hopefully tomorrow goes good. Goes good. Also for you too, King. I appreciate it, Phillips. Hope it goes good for you too, brother. I hope you get in there. I hope you find some fucking opportunity. I hope it respects your size. You put mad leverage on, and you get paid. That's what I'm hoping for you. That's what I hope for everybody in this chat. Just to get paid. That's all we're here for. We're here for freedom. We're here to help our people that we care about. We're here to take on this bullshit of looking at this choppy market to then get the benefits to provide for the people we care about. This shit is not for the faint of heart, but it's for the strong, for the people that can handle it. I don't get excited about $400 often, but green is green. Here for freedom 100%. Let's go, Corey. Here for freedom, King. Got to be happy about $400 too when it comes. Think about that. $400 for some people, dude, is like 2 to 3 days of work. That's how skewed a lot of us are too, just because we know, we see trading, we see moments flip where we can make tens of grand in a day. But $400 is people's daily, like 2 to 3 days of people's hard work. So still a W. Congrats, Corey. It's hard because NQ follows no technicals sometimes. I had to stop copy trading. I usually trade one account per day to focus. Yeah, you're not wrong, Kev. Sometimes it's just doing some weird shit. And it doesn't respect levels. It doesn't respect technicals. It just does some weird things. But that's why we play it, because it does that. And when it does listen to levels, woo-wee, when it respects levels correctly, it's a fun thing to trade. Try MNQ tomorrow, King. Just try to take it slow. Nah, Bobby, we're not scared. We're not scared. I'll just keep donating. I will. You gotta spend money to make money. We're profitable. We can afford it. We gotta just put money down, and eventually it's gonna hit. I'm gonna take money from them. We're gonna put money in MFF, right? So these accounts with no activation are $385, super cheap. Try again tomorrow. Try again tomorrow. Try again tomorrow. Once we get this to pass, 15K in payout, and we only spend a couple grand to do it, 5x, 6x. Come on. 15 grand payout, only spending like 3 grand, and that's like 10 attempts on this. 10 attempts with these accounts, you can still have a 5x and turn 3 grand into 15 grand. So that's what we're looking for. You got to be willing to spend some money to make the money. Good morning, Daiquiri. Let's go, King. Happy welcome in, brother. That's a month food for me and my cats. Yep, 400 is $50 an hour. I love it. I talk about this a lot. Trading makes you belittle the value of money. No doubt, Philip. It's so easy to. I mean, we can see, like, right now, you all just watched it. I just lost $10,000, right? Look at this number. $10,000. Like, that's so fucking hysterical. And if we were on the other side of that, you get to make 10 grand. Like, we can't even really process that. But yet, we can be like, but yet if you actually go spend your time in a building for work, listening to somebody take orders or whatever, and you're making 25 bucks an hour, man, 400 bucks feels a lot different when you're making 20 bucks an hour. So we got to do better in terms of just accepting that and remembering that. Oh yeah, please. Oh yeah, please fucking bottom tick me again. Oh, I love it, you dirty little. I love it. Love cats. What color are they, Danny? I love black cats. Her kitties are adorable. Adorable kitties. I think one was like gray hairless kitty. I haven't seen any official news on Top Step. Is it official they're done with no activation fee thing? I'm not sure if that's locked yet, Daiquiri. What I do know about Top Step is they removed Project X from nobody else. No other prop firm. The API cannot use Project X. So anyone that's used to that is going to have to switch over to Top Step. They pulled the rug on that. Fucking crazy. But they did. I know they are trying to delete the no activation fee. I just don't know when. I'm not sure if that's locked yet, Daiquiri. It really does. I made 211 today and said, what the fuck is this? Not knowing I made it in 0 seconds. You made 200. You made a people's daily salary with just clicking a button, Bobby. Come on. My goal for the rest of the year is to average $145 over 5 accounts to build a buffer for next year. I like it. I like it, Kev. Happy Monday, King. Let's go, Chris. Welcome in, King. Why did you switch to MFF? Just for the time being, Apex doesn't have their 80% or 90%. They don't have any good deals going right now, so I don't really want to pay 20 accounts for their normal prices. I'm waiting for some better discounts. So in the meantime, running MFF, they have a really nice cheap core plan right now, really affordable. $77 per account, no activation fee. So all in for 5 accounts, you can trade $385, and yeah, have max payout between the 5 of $15,000. So really worth it. And the same as Trade of 8, so I'm trying to get better there. Oh my god, that's crazy. A bottom tick again. I don't understand how. Technically though, I'll take this one because look, we're $2,200. Technically, we should have already been wrong. So it's not seriously a bottom tick, but it's still kind of a fucking bottom tick. Show some love for this bottom tick action, family. Eventually, soon, you guys have seen this, okay? You've seen how many times I am top ticking or bottom ticking, getting fucked. We're that close to things switching over again, and it's going to stop doing that to Tyler. And we're going to start rinsing these fucking days. I promise you guys. It's just a matter of time. I have a Sphinx cats, Pobby. They are all naked. 2 are skin colored, and 1 is a black, all black with green eyes. So pretty. You trade gold? Sometimes, Phillips. Sometimes when it makes sense. Right now, this is I have to go on to MFF and not get the delayed. It says data's delayed, so got to fix that on through the settings. But yeah, I do like gold sometimes. What's the payout for MFF? Max payout per account is $3 grand. You can trade 5 accounts, so 15,000 max payout. $2,000 drawdown. All the rules are really similar to Top Step. Really, I enjoy this prop firm already. Yeah. Overall, decent prices. $385 for 5 accounts is pretty cheap. No activation fee. 15K payout. You could run 10 accounts and blow them and then still have a 5X, 3K to 15K. So I think the money's there. It's worth it for us. Oh, nice. Can't you put tattoos on them? LOL, or is that bad? Probably bad, Bobby. I laugh my ass out, bro. It's crazy. I can get the market thousands, but when it's going shopping, I'm like $30 for Chipotle. Same way, Kev. I will literally just not buy a shirt for $5. I'm like, oh, fuck that. I have shirts. I don't need that. And then I'll go spend $600 on accounts like nothing. Laugh my ass off, bro. It's crazy. I seen people do it, LOL. 100 points up, 100 points down. I'm not touching this with a 10-foot pole. Good discipline, Sobs. Not a lot going on, King. No. We'll never do that. I, however, am covered in tattoos. Let's fucking go, Danny. Love tats. What's your favorite one? MF has a max payout cap of 100K in payouts lifetime. Really? I did not know that. So you can make 100K total, and then they're just going to stop you from trading with them? Interesting, Kev. Huge range now. Yeah, this is a massive range. And, of course, Tyler's the bottom tick of it. So, you know. You can run 10 accounts on MFF? Really? I thought it was only 5. I thought it was only 5, King. Is it actually 10 accounts? Because that's pretty fucking crazy if it's 10 accounts. Because then that'd be a 30K payout. Really affordable. Laugh my ass off? Yes, double check, but I seen it. 100K payout? I mean, I'll take it. You can turn me off at 100K, but that's 5. Ruckus says it's 5. Okay, cool. I thought so too. Hey, 5's still plenty, though. 5 is still plenty, enough to change lives. Can you just go back above the VWAP so I can know that I got bottom ticked and feel fine about it? Can you just do that for me? So I can just know that you're just that close to respecting me, but you just don't respect me yet, and that's fine. You don't need to respect me yet, NASDAQ, because I will make you respect me. Look at this. Daily candle starting to flip over, still printing doji. Can we get above the VWAP here? Forgot the question mark. Yeah, no, they're 5, King. I think it's just 5. They tie from my picture I posted. Did you think I would look like that? LOL. Yeah, you look like a stud, King. For sure. That's incorrect. Your max payout on the experts are 100K. It's not a lifetime for MFFU. That's incorrect. Your max payout on the experts are 100K. Nassim, you're the man. Appreciate you the insight, King. Huge difference. Just through that plan, you can max out with 100K, but they don't max you out per the thing. You can still trade after that. Excuse me. Bro said, yeah, this boy is Mexican as fuck. Edgar haircut and everything. I'm not gonna lie, I was like, that is Pobby right there. Yeah, I loved it. Throw him over the border. Now we need you here. We need you here. We need you here. We need hard workers here. Wow. Same thing, though, family. Look at the rejection at the top of this fucking VWAP. Same reaction last time. Little print and attempt, and then just a reaction, rejection. Print and attempt, rejection. Print and attempt, rejection. I'd be looking for shorts, maybe. It's kind of an interesting little look. This is kind of also forming a nice little bullish cup. Nice little bullish cup. Now, if we do break above this, holy shit, look out. We're going to go continue to the upside. What's the discount code for MFF? They don't have one, Phillips. I applied, but I'm not sure if we'll get one. But they don't have... the core plan, I think, is the cheapest that you can find right now. I don't even think they have... Even if you do have a code, you can't apply it to that specific plan just because it's so cheap. $77, no activation fee. It's the core plan, and you can get the flex upgrade for free. So, yeah, I think that's the play right there, Phillips. Sell the top, buy the bottom until it breaks. Yep. Keep shorting these 42s like you're blind, and keep buying these 60s like you don't care. 63s like you don't care. Buy 63, short 42 all morning. Because that's what it's doing. Ooh, excuse me. Damn. Another tough day. Cannot wait for this market to start respecting us a little bit better, because we are going to print. I just know every time I enter a range trade like this, the market decides to leave the range. Oh, we're ranging? Perfect. Well, then I'm gonna be safe and buy these 64s and expect to push. Rips through the bottom of the range. Oh, okay. We're pushing back up to this VWAP and this 42 price. Well, we've rejected it like 6 times. I'm gonna put a short up here. Rips through the VWAP. Go take a high day. I hear you. I hear you, Sobs. Yo, how many likes we have, family? Are we over 20? That's our goal. If you're watching and haven't shown any love yet, it's the easiest way to support the stream. Let's see those 20. LO, I love how calm Ty is. LO. Damn, other tough day. I need to be like this. Just another tough day. That's it, Bob. We bounce back. We bounce back. We are stronger than our losses. No, but for real, this is getting me. It's turning my ambition back on. Like after that last payouts that we took, I was just kind of like I was in a different moment, different stance. I was just like, okay, like No rush. Now I'm feeling, this is feeling personal. All these fucking bottom ticks and top tips. I'm coming for my money, and they're gonna pay pronto. It's heating my my flare back up. I'm gonna start stealing from these prop firms. If I buy the 60s again, it will go to literal 25,000 in 1 minute candle. I know. I know, Corey. And it's threatening it right now. It's threatening it. You could try it. Ah, fuck. Look at this choppy range, guys. Wow. This is a Monday. This is a Monday no news for you. Just holding these two levels very clean. Fuck, I just forgot I got 25 assignments due by the 20th. Oops. Pablo. Get on that, King. Even though I don't really like school, but you got to do what you got to do. Ty, I feel your pain. I pulled 15K out of props in a week exactly 2 months ago. Did not take one payout till Friday for 2K. I needed that. Hey, let's go, Corey. You did need that, King. I need one, too. I'm feeling like I need one. Last payout was nice. Felt good, but it's been a little too long since, and I need another one. I need one. You know what I mean? Not crazy. Just a good one. It was 2 months ago for me, too. September. September was my last payout. So, can I get one, please? Please, NASDAQ. Over here. Tyler, I need one. Me. This guy. Give me a little bit of the money, please. I give you money. You give me the money. Okay? I give you the money. You have the money. Now you give me the money. I need the money. All right, family. We're going to call it a day. Keep our heads strong. Keep our heads right. Keep that momentum carrying through if you guys are still trading for the rest of the day. Do what you got to do. Be careful. Be cautious. Range is a little bit choppy right now. If you don't have to trade the rest of the day, lock out. We'll be back tomorrow doing it all over again. Like I said, I feel like we're coming to a close with this losing streak. Right now, it's top dog. Capital L losing. You know what I mean? But I think we're coming around the corner. We're going to start flipping over to being getting on the right side of things again eventually. So I appreciate you guys for being here nonetheless. Spending your morning. Pobby, Danny, Corey, Sobs, Phillips, Nassim, Ruckus, Kev, Matrix, he's not here, Mad Max. I appreciate you guys so fucking much. Enjoy the rest of your day. Drink some sun. Get some water. I never had a prop firm payout, so it's about day and time I get it together. Let's go, Danny. It's coming up, Queen. I feel it. Have a good day, y'all. Hit the like button on the way out, please. I need to get my shit together. See you tomorrow. Hell yeah. I love y'all, guys. Take it easy. Drink some sun. Get some water. Congrats, Sob, on that hole-in-one. Hug somebody you guys love, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hell yeah. Happy Monday, family.